That seemed to, you're shaking your head. What does that mean?
Here, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and you know what? I probably get this question 1,000 times. Should I use a dehumidifier or should I use a crawl space vent? Well, instead of me telling you the answer, I want to tell you something you can do to test which one you should use. Stay tuned. So how are you, as the homeowner, going to know whether you need a dehumidifier or not, or whether you should add ventilation? Well, one of the easiest things you can do is you can pick up the Thermo Pro humidity and temperature reader. Now, the nice thing about this product is that the sensor is actually recharged every time the battery goes down. So you don't have to buy batteries for the sensor, and all you need is a few AAA batteries for the part that's in your house. Now, you might be thinking, well, what is this gonna do? Help me decide about a dehu or an active ventilation system. Well, if you live in Colorado or in a place where the humidity's low, maybe you don't need a dehumidifier. But this little guy right here, you put the remote down inside the crawl space or in your basement, and then it sends the signal up to your living space all the time. So you can check at 9 a.m., you can check at 5 p.m., and you can check at 9 p.m. and see what the humidity is. You can make a little notes and figure all that out. And if the humidity is above 55% on a steady basis during certain times of the year, chances are you're going to need to install a dehumidifier. But if you're in a climate that the humidity stays low all year long, then probably ventilation would be all you need in that situation. So this is a great product now available on our DIY store. I'm going to put a link down below. But wait, before I leave, make sure if you do need ventilation that you check out the Lamanco PCV1 vent fan. This is our best selling vent fan. Whether your crawl space is open or you decide to encapsulate with a ventilation system and dehumidification, this is a great fan. It's 110 CFM, easy to install. We'll put the install video down below, show you how to do it. Very, very easy DIY project. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.